Today I am creating a painting of the beautiful Thiruchendur Murugan Temple for a client based in Bengaluru. The client specifically wanted to capture the temple along with its iconic shoreline, which makes this place feel so peaceful and divine. I shared a few composition options with them, and after some discussion, we finalized this one. Before I begin painting, the first step is always preparing the canvas. I start by trimming the canvas roll to the required size and then applying a layer of gesso. This helps create a smooth surface and make sure the paint sits well and lasts longer over time. Once that's done, the canvas is stretched securely onto the wall and is finally ready to be painting. This is actually one of my signature painting techniques that I've developed and refined over the years. Temple paintings are extremely detail heavy, so getting the drawing accurate is the foundation of everything. If the proportions are even slightly off in the sketching stage, it affects the entire painting later. Once the sketch is complete, I move on to the underpainting stage. For this painting, since we wanted the soft devotional sunrise effect, I chose warm golden and earthy undertones. These colors help create a glowing base and make the final layers feel richer and more vibrant. At this stage, I'm not focusing too much on the details yet. The main goal here is to block in all the basic colors and values. I start separating the sky, the temple structure, the shoreline and the water, making sure each element has the right depth and contrast. This stage can sometimes look messy or unfinished, but it's actually where the painting starts building its structure. Once the first layer is done, I move on to the second detailing layer, which is definitely the most time-consuming part of the process. This is where the painting slowly starts coming to life. I begin refining the temple architecture, adding depth, texture, and all the tiny intricate details that make the structure feel realistic. I also start refining the shoreline and water in this stage, adding movement and softness so that the painting feels alive and balanced. This layer takes the maximum amount of time and patience because it's all about precision. At this point, the painting usually goes through multiple tiny corrections and adjustments until everything feels right. And finally, my favorite part, the finishing touches. This is where I add the final highlights, the brighter accents, and the smallest details that instantly elevate the painting. The golden sunlight is enhanced here to create that divine glow we planned in the beginning. I add sharper highlights on the temple, subtle reflections in the water, and small touches of contrast to make the entire artwork pop. These final few strokes are usually what bring the whole painting to life. And after hours and hours of sketching, layering, detailing, this beautiful painting of Thiruchendur Murugan Temple is finally complete. It's always so satisfying to watch a blank canvas transform into something this meaningful. And now, this piece is ready to travel all the way to its new home in Bengaluru.